It's a 2012 Mercedes-Benz GL Class. This is everything you need an SUV to be, and every reason why you buy a Mercedes-Benz. Plus, it offers an exciting list of features: external memory control, power heated mirrors, dual zone climate control, Bluetooth, front heated bucket seats, automatic transmission, express open and close sliding and tilting sunroof, 4-corner auto leveling suspension, and 3 12-volt power outlets. New Car Test Drive reports the Mercedes-Benz GL Class is large and capable off-road, yet feels surprisingly car-like on the road. That car-like feeling comes in part because this is the first full-size SUV built around a unibody architecture instead of traditional body-on-frame construction. Mercedes-Benz, high style, high performance. If you've been waiting for the perfect time for a test drive, the time is now. Experience it today.
At Arizona Car Sales, you won't find a better vehicle for a better price. Conveniently located at 1648 East Main Street in Mesa, Arizona.